So in the last class we discussed about intrastate. So in this class we will discuss about intrastate supply, inward supply and outward supply both. So here we will go with integrated tax. Why? Because we are providing the services to some other person who stays in another state. Okay. So that is called interstate supply of services. So in this example, inward supply is nothing but your purchases. So the Alvi Traders Private Limited of Hyderabad, Telangana provided a window cleaning services to Wings Enterprise Company of Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh with a budget of 4 lakhs. 18% GST was charged. This is the reference number DB by 686. So place of supplier Alvi Traders Private Limited Hyderabad, supply to company Wings Enterprise Allahabad. So here we are purchasing we are supplying that to Wings Enterprises, so they will be sundry creditor. So under the field cleaning services we have to create. So these are the ledgers. What is the service we have provided? Cleaning services. Window cleaning services will be the indirect expenditure. And one more ledger we have to create, that is Wings Enterprise, that is a party ledger, they will be sundry creditor. So I will go to tally. So what is the company name? That is Alvi Traders. Alvi Traders. Accounts info, ledger, create, cleaning services under indirect expenditure, applicable GST rates yes. It is intrastate purchase taxable. That's what we have to select. Here it is 18%. It is services. Next ledger we have to create is Wings Enterprise as sundry creditors. Wings Enterprise under sundry creditor, is from which state? West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. The GST number will be ఏదో ఇచ్చాడుగా నెంబరు నెంబర్ ఎంటర్ చేసుకుందాం 09-4As 1234 A1Z5 okay. Then after integrated tax, I will go with IGST at the rate 18%. Comes under duties and taxes, GST, integrated tax, that is 18%. Next we need any other ledgers. So directly go to purchase voucher, go back, accounting voucher, under purchases. So the supplier number DB 686 DB 686. So date we have to modify. First we have to change the period here. 1/4/2021, 31/3/2022. DB by 686. Party Wings Enterprise, and they are the cleaning services. What is that amount? ₹4 lakhs. Next, integrated tax. Something went wrong. Accounts info, ledger, alter, cleaning services, indirect expenditure. Double 8 it's right, is not applicable. Accounting voucher, DB by 686. Purchase Wings Enterprise. Cleaning services, 4 lakhs. IGST, yeah. So this is IGST 72,000. So this is the integrated tax which is levied on cleaning services. So we can see this transaction. Integrated tax 4,72,000. So we can see that in GSTR2, so that is about integrated inward supply. The same will go with integrated outward supply of services. So Adalware Traders Private Limited, Hyderabad, Telangana received a contract of support services in crop cultivation and production of rubber from Bintrif Private Limited of Panjim, Goa. So here what are the services? Crop cultivation is the ledger we have to create as an indirect income, and so he will be the sundry debtor, Bintrif Private Limited. So we go with crop cultivation ledger we have to create. Accounts info, ledger, create crop cultivation services. It will be indirect income, applicable crop cultivation. What is the HSN number of for this? 968532, 968532, not applicable. Taxable 18%. Services. Next, what is that ledger? Support services is done. Next, Bintriff Rubber Industries. Bintriff Rubber Industries. He will be sundry debtor. He is from Goa. So what is the GST number? 30 AAAA 1234 Z1, sorry, A1Z8. Enter. So any other ledgers we need to create? It is already done. Now we go with sales voucher, accounts voucher, under sales. What is that number? GS 564. GS 564. Party name Bintriff Traders, and here cultivation service, crop cultivation services, 5 lakhs. Next, integrated tax is 18%, that is 90,000. So that is about outward supply. So we have seen inward supply as well as outward supply. Now we'll see what is the terms, rules and regulations for cancellation of services. For example, we have an agreement with some company for some services. If you want to cancel that agreement, or if you want to cancel the services whatever you are going to provide, then we have to follow some rules and regulations here. So cancellation of services may occur when a company failed to provide the promised services to other company. For example, ABC company promised or contracted to provide cleaning services to XYZ company, but due to any reason it failed to provide such services, then the situation is results of cancellation of services. At the time of cancellation of services, debit and credit notes are issued or updated with taxable value and GSTs. So debit note is issued by a supplier of services to record the addition or increase made in taxable value. So credit note is issued by the supplier of services to record the decrease or reduction made in taxable value. So if you want to increase the tax, we have to go with debit note. If you want to decrease the tax, we have to go with credit note. So what are the rules, requirements of cancellation of services? So the document should be highlighted as an important one, as a revised invoice, and details of supplier like name, address, GST number should be provided. Sequential numbering of financial year or numerical form. Details of receipt if he is registered. Details of recipient if he is unregistered. Date and serial number of original invoice. Details of rate of tax and supplier's digital signature. All these things are the required documents for cancellation. And we have two types of cancellations, either one inward supply cancellation or outward supply cancellation. So that is nothing but the services are given by us or services are taken from others. So even if we can cancel or they can cancel. So this is the two cases. So now first we will see inward supplies. So here, so the Alavi Traders Telangana taken a contract to provide advertising services to Excel Enterprise with a budget of 1,50,000 and 18% GST. This is the reference number. So first we'll purchase. We'll go with the purchase voucher, and the reference number is CD 986, CD by 986 from Excel. So what are the services? Advertising services, 1,50,000, and here we have CGST and state tax both. Okay, so total 18% in the sense we'll have both the transactions here. So 13,500 will be the thing. Now we have to enter that credit note transaction. So it will be there in display, statutory reports, GST, GSTR2. We have to change the period here, 1/4/2021, 1/4/2021. Now we can see in under B2B invoices. So here we have Excel Foundation, that is 3 lakhs. 1,50,000, 1,50,000. There are total 2 transactions. Okay. Now we have to activate that credit note under F11 features, accounts features of this company, and here already these 2 are activated. Okay, no problem. Accounting voucher. Now we go with debit note. Purchase returns kabatti debit note. So invoice number CD by 986. Party name is Excel Enterprise. And here advertising services. That amount is 1,50,000. Again the state tax and the central tax. This is about GSTR2. So even we can see this transaction in display, statutory reports, GST and GSTR2. Again they change the period, 1/4/2021, 1/4/2021. So we can see here 1,50,000 under credit or debit note regular. So we can see this here, debit or credit note. Okay, so this is the amount what we can see. That is the complete cancellation of services. Now either we can go with partial cancellation. So some of the part we can cancel. So here we have one more transaction with Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, Wings Enterprise with window cleaning services. Okay, so again we go with purchase voucher, purchases. So what is the invoice number? DB686, DB686. Party name Wings Enterprise. Then we have cleaning services. Total cost will be 4 lakhs. So here we have only IGST of 18%. That is 4,72,000. Next we are returning some part of the services. So that is DB/686 from Excel and Wings Enterprise. So in this cleaning services we are cancelling 3 lakhs. we are cancelling 3 lakhs. So as he mentioned here, the Alavi Traders Private Limited failed to provide the window cleaning services to Wings Enterprise as per the terms and conditions of the contract. The partial completed contract amount 3 lakhs is received against the bill number 686 with 80% GST integrated tax. So IGST, so that is 54,000. So we can see it here, 3 lakhs 54,000. So even we can see it in GSTR2 services under returns. Simple, what you have to create, that's it. Display, statutory reports, GST, GSTR2, just change the period here, 1/4/2021, 1/4/2021. Now you can see here. So one is 1,50,000, another one is 3 lakhs. Okay. Next we have cancellation of outward supply. So just now we have seen inward supply, now outward supply. Again we'll go with the sales voucher and credit note. So first we need to enter the sales transactions of this person, Alavi Traders, and we have to create sales voucher under CNR Steels with this amount. This is a GST reference number, and the 2,50,000 complete cancellation. So we go with credit note. So sales and credit note, just like we have performed just now, purchase and debit note, and the same way we'll go with sales and credit note. Same procedure. There is no change. This is partial cancellation. Both the things are available here in the same process. Okay. Next we'll go with defining tax rates at master and transaction level. So even we have already seen this in with regards to goods. Now we'll take the same along with the services. So when the tax details are defined at the different levels, the details would be recorded based on the following hierarchy. Taxes can be defined at transaction level, they can be at accounting ledger level, accounting group level, or company level. So in the same way, so by considering configuration of GST of group level, records intra-state inward supply of services and analyze the tax analysis details from the following information. So this is the purchase voucher. Apricot Event Private Limited of Hyderabad providing the following services to Alavi Traders: videography services 50,000 and photography services 25,000. So creation of accounting masters, create expenses group. Under this group we have to create group first. So taxes can be availed at the time of group creation. We'll see that. Accounts info, groups, create. What is the group name? Event services. Event services under indirect expenditure. Under indirect expenditures, group behaves like subledger, no. Net debit, credit, all these things are no. Next, where we have to set order details as yes. This option we have to make it as yes. So here we have to give the complete different descriptions, photo and videography. This is not applicable. Oh no, here it is taxable. Amount will be 18%. So now what will happen at the time of group? If you select this group, automatically the tax will be calculated as 18% automatically. Why? Because we have specified the tax details at the time of group creation. Okay, so it is at one level. So under this, whatever the ledgers we create, that will be treated like that. So this is the event services group which is already created. So create videography services ledger. Now create that ledger. Ledger, create videography services under the group what we have created. What is the group created just now? Event services. So event services is the group applicable. Set out all details no. Type of supply is services. Videography services already created. Next we have to create photography services. Same way, you have no need to do any changes. Why? Because already we have created, we have initialized the GST amounts at the time of group creation. Okay. Next we have to create a party ledger, Apricot Event Private Limited. Apricot Private Limited. So there will be sundry debtors or sundry creditors. There will be sundry creditors. Because we are purchasing the services, we are accepting the services from them. They are from which state? Hyderabad only. (36 AABCG 2838 G1ZQ). So that is also done. Now we go with intrastate inward supply of services. Go to purchases, accounting voucher, purchases. What is that invoice number? AE by 236. Party name Apricot. Videography services, and both we have to select photography and videography. Videography 50,000 and photography 25,000. Next we have to go with central tax and state tax. So 6,550 will be the central tax and state tax. So we can see the same in GSTR2. The above execution purchase invoice in intrastate inward supply of services, the tax implication of transactions can be seen in GSTR2 report. So we'll go back and we'll see under GSTR2 reports, display, statutory reports, GST, GSTR2, change the period 1/4/2021, 1/4/2021. Okay, where we can see that, press N, where is it? N. HSN summary. It is the detailed report. Export returns, view status wise. GSTR2 hai kada? Yeah, GSTR2. Purchase invoice voucher, the tax implication. will see that. Yeah. 1/4/2021, 1/4/2021. HSN numbers already provided. Accounting reports, inventory reports, view status, load file, adjustment, detailed description. Based on invoice wise. This is the amount 1,50,000. Okay, so these are the things what you have, and maximum we have done with our fourth unit. So all the transactions whatever you have which are related to the services, we have seen inward supply, outward supply of services, and within the state or other with other states, how to cancel the services, how to cancel the partial services. And for that, for cancellation we have to enter debit note and credit note, and we have already seen how to enter these tax details at the time of group creation. So all are the things which we have done. So we completed 2, 3, 4, 3 units we have already finished, and the last unit is only for reports, how to view. So maybe in this week we'll finish it off this GST chapter, and from Monday again we'll go with a recap. Okay, so this is all about your unit 4. Okay, so by Monday maximum we'll finish it off this unit 5 in this week. So maximum it is done, then remaining part we'll discuss it in the next class. Okay, so by 10 o'clock you computer people come back for RDBMS class. Okay, bye.